Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable and disable YouTube clips. From your YouTube studio you have to go on settings and then you have to click the second option, which is channel, and then click on advanced settings. So from here you have to scroll down until you find clips. So if you want to disable this, you have to uncheck that. And if you want to enable the clips, you have to check that. So if you deselect this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content and existing clips of your content will be disabled. So yeah, that's it guys, it's your choice, you just have to save it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and you can also leave a like and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.